we're in a recession and we can't go out and buy pretzels all the time. So I'm going to show you how to make cheap Auntie Anne's pretzels. So I have a tube of biscuits. They're store brand, so it's less than $5. So what you're going to do is open up the tin. And then you're going to lay out all the biscuits on your board and then cut each biscuit into fours. And here they all are laid out. There's about probably 30. And these will make little Auntie Anne pretzel bites. And then what you're gonna do next is soak your pretzel bites into a lye bath. So I have water and a teaspoon of baking soda, and you're just gonna let the pretzels sit in the lye bath for about 15 seconds. And then you're gonna lay them out on a tray and then brush them with some butter. And then you're gonna put them into a preheated 400-degree oven for about 5 to 10 minutes or until they're golden brown. And then you're just gonna brush some more butter on top of them and enjoy your cheap pretzel bites.